everyone, my name's Andrew. I'm the leasing manager here at the quarters at Columbia. I'm here today to show you our clubhouse and all of the new renovations that we're doing to all of our units on property. Before we head over to see one of our partially renovated 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom units, let's go take a look at our clubhouse. Head on in. All right, before we head inside, let's take a look at this. This is our pool and our hot tub. It's a giant sun deck. We're hoping to have this opened pretty soon for you all. Over there is a portable gas grill for all of our residents to use as well. This is a hot spot in the summer. Hoping to have a lot of our resident events out here as well. Let's go ahead and head into the clubhouse now. You can follow me. Welcome to our clubhouse. This is an area that you're gonna have access to 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. In our game room, you're gonna have access to pool and ping pong to play with your roommates or bring some friends, as well as lounge around, maybe watch the big game. This is also an area where we have a ton of our resident events, so it's a great place for you to meet other members of our community. One of our most popular amenities is our fitness center. Let's head on in. So as you can see, we've got tons of different exercise equipment and weights for our residents to use. So no matter if you're trying to do cardio, HIIT training, or weightlifting, we've got the gym for you. So say goodbye to that gym membership that you don't need. Don't pay those extra costs. We've got one here right for you. All right, so let's go take a look at another awesome amenity that we offer, our indoor court. Come on. Another awesome amenity that we offer here at the quarters is our indoor basketball court. You get to use it year-round. We're the only complex in Columbia that does have an indoor court. And guess what? Living at the quarters is a slam dunk. The one last thing to show you while we're in our fitness center is our brand new addition, and it's our dry sauna. It's been a huge hit with our residents, especially in those cold winter months. Come over here, let's take a look. Head on in. It's pretty sweet, huh? Hey, now let's check out our study center. We've got a few different options for you, whether it's a Mac or PC, whichever you prefer. 24-hour free printing. So no matter if you're a journalism major, business major, health sciences major, or you have no major, you've got a great space to study. 2 separate study rooms in the back here. This one on the right, a little bit more of a communal study area with a bunch of whiteboards and charging desks. A great place for you and your roommates to come and have a quick study session. As well as over here on the left, I do have a reservable conference room. Let me show you that as well. So right through here is our reservable conference room. You can reserve that by checking in with the front desk. There's a giant TV on the wall. Hook up with your laptop, great for group presentations or if you have that Zoom call that you need to be on. Another great place for our residents to use. Let's take a look at one of our 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom, partially renovated units. So one of the first things you're going to notice is the beautiful vinyl plank flooring we're putting in throughout your entire unit. That includes your bedrooms. This space that you're looking at right now is our living room. So that's the place you're going to share with your other roommates in this floor plan. The living room is fully furnished as well as the rest of your apartment. It's going to include a sofa, a love seat, coffee table, end table, as well as an entertainment center and a 50-inch smart TV. One of the great things about our 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom floor plan is you get your own private balcony. Now let's take a look at your kitchen. One awesome upgrade we have for this fall is our brand new stainless steel appliances that we're putting in every unit. That means a new dishwasher, freezer and refrigerator, glass top stove, and a microwave. Also, these cabinets, brand new luxury cabinets. Look how they slip for us. Pretty awesome. One thing I'm not able to show you yet are the white quartz countertops that we've been putting in your bathrooms and your kitchen area. In our 4x4s, you'll also get this extended breakfast bar with 4 bar stools.
Finally, let's take a look at one of the bedrooms. First off, all of our bedrooms come with their own private bathroom. Some of the updates we're doing in those include new luxury cabinets, quartz countertops, as well as the new vinyl plank flooring. All of our bedrooms are fully furnished. That means an extended full memory foam mattress, as well as a desk and desk chair and 2 sets of dressers. Also, the closets are pretty large. And one last thing before we go, all of our units have in-unit washer and dryers. So no more carrying your clothes down the stairs to do your laundry, no more laundromats, no more coin-operated laundry. Do your laundry in the comfort of your own home.
And one last amenity before you go is our private shuttle. It's one of our most popular amenities here. It does start at 7 a.m. and runs till 10 p.m. to Mizzou's campus during the week. A late night shuttle Thursday through Saturday till 2 a.m. as well as a weekend shuttle that runs from here to campus to the Walmart over on the south side of town. Once again, thank you so much for stopping by today. If you have any questions, reach out to us by phone at 573-267-2700. Shoot us an email, info@thequarterscolumbia.com, or feel free to go online, fill out our free and quick application at thequarterscolumbia.com. Have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.